This is the open G chord. To grab this chord, you put your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string, your index finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string. So, counting from the thinnest string, your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret of the 1st string, your index finger goes on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, and your middle finger goes on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. To play the open G chord, you start from the thickest string and strum all strings. The following lessons will teach you to grab this chord one finger at a time, but if you want, you can jump straight to the lesson teaching the full chord. Good luck.